back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious orange carrot lemonade that I know that you guys are really going to love and enjoy, especially in this summer. With this hot weather, we need something made at home, delicious and refreshing. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. My ingredients: granulated sugar, a pinch of salt. Of course, you could omit it if that's what you want, but the pinch of salt really brings up all the flavors of the rest of the ingredients. I have 2 lemons, 4 oranges, 2 carrots, water, and of course, ice. This is everything we need for this delicious orange carrot lemonade. So let's get started and let's prepare it at home. I want to start making my simple syrup. I have a saucepan here. I'm adding some sugar, adding just a little bit of water, just enough to cover it. And then let's take it to the stove and start cooking it. We're going to cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes until the sugar has dissolved completely. Just make sure that you are mixing it at all times so the sugar doesn't stick to the bottom. When the water runs clear, that means that the simple syrup is completely done. I have my 2 carrots here. I'm going to go ahead and just cut the edges of the carrots, and then we want to go ahead and peel them. Take the outer skin off completely until we have no more skin on our carrots. After this is done, I'm just going to cut it in little cubes, making sure that I cut little small pieces so that my blender doesn't have to work too hard blending all these hard carrots. Well, here I am almost done. I have a little plate here where I'm going to start adding all my carrots, and let's take it to the sink. Let's start rinsing them very good in running water. This is a very important step, but you know we need to do it. Once this is completely done, I'm going to transfer it to my blender cup. And I'm just going to go ahead and put it aside. And I'm going to continue with my oranges and my lemons. We want to make sure that we get all the juice of the oranges and of course of the lemons. My lemons are organic. They are from my garden. And I am ready to start getting all those delicious juices out of these lemons. Really, to tell you the truth, this is where it takes a little more time when you're getting all that delicious lemon juice and the orange juice. I got almost 2.5 cups of these delicious juices. I'm going to go ahead and put it through a sifter, making sure that all the pulp and all the seeds stay behind. We want to make sure that there's no seeds or pulp in this delicious lemonade. I know that this really takes time, but believe me, if a little seeds go into the lemonade, it's gonna taste bitter. So let's just take an extra step and make sure that we remove all the seeds and all the pulp. Okay, this is completely ready. Now we're gonna go ahead and just blend it. We want to blend it for about 3 to 4 minutes, making sure that the carrot is completely blended and liquidy. Well, here I have everything already blended, and what I am going to do, I'm going to go ahead and just put it aside and start preparing my pitcher. I have a pitcher here. I'm adding my ice, and then I'm going to go ahead and add just some filtered water. And after the filtered water, we're going to add our simple syrup and of course our juices. Just make sure that you add just enough simple syrup. Remember, the simple syrup is to taste. So let's go ahead and just mix everything. And of course, this is the time where we're going to go ahead and just taste it and see how it is, or if we need to add a little more. To my tasting, this is perfect. I have a little lemon here, and I'm gonna just slice it and take the seeds out completely. The same thing I'm gonna do with this piece of orange, because of course I want to prepare my pitcher and my cup. I want to have decorations on them. Look at this, the little slices of the lemon and the orange. I just added it on the top for some decoration. Of course that this lemonade looks so delicious and so refreshing. Of course that I have my cup here full of slices of lemon, slices of oranges, and now I am ready to start adding the delicious lemonade. To tell you the truth, the kids won't even find out that this delicious lemonade has carrot. I am completely done, but I wanted to show you this stem so that you could see how delicious and refreshing this lemonade looks, and I'm sure it tastes fabulous. I am ready for the presentation, and I'll see you in a bit. Completely done with this carrot orange lemonade. When you make this at home, this really comes out delicious. It's nice and refreshing and has a lot of vitamins, antioxidants that I know that you guys are really going to love. Well, this is the part I really love and enjoy. Tasting my recipes, especially in this hot weather. Why not make something refreshing, delicious, and of course with a lot of vitamin. Excuse me. And you know something, with that little pinch of salt, really brought up all those flavors of the carrot, of the lemon, of the orange. This is just fabulous. And of course, if you don't tell your kids that it has carrot, they will enjoy it and they will not even tell that there's carrot inside this lemonade. I hope, my friends, you give it a chance. You try it, you share with your family, and I know everybody's gonna love it. And other than love it, you're gonna be nice and refreshed. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me your thumbs up, share my video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push the notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make a delicious recipe, you are going to be notified. I want to say thank you so much for playing this video and the rest of the videos. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying this refreshing lemonade. See you in my next delicious recipe. Bye-bye.